The absolute fastest way to save a lot of money is to move in with your parents and save money on rent. But for those of us who do not want to move in with mom and dad, there are still plenty of ways to save money by developing mindful habits. In today's video, I'm going to deal with 6 proven ways to save money fast. These are practical tips that work for anyone, no matter your income level. Whether you're building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or just trying to keep more of your paycheck. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a complete action plan to start saving money today. And trust me, some of these hacks are so effective, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. Tip number 1. Having a meal prepping and grocery strategy. Aside from rent, food is one of the next biggest expenses. Try cutting down the number of times you eat out and consider meal prepping, which can save you hundreds per month. Meal prepping is simply preparing some or all of your meals ahead of time. For example, you can cook several entire meals in advance, or simply chopping vegetables and portioning out ingredients. Here are some practical hacks for meal prepping. It helps if you can buy ingredients in bulk and can save money that way. Plan meals around sales, coupons, or offers. Buy generic instead of name brand foods because it pretty much tastes the same. And here's the golden rule: never shop hungry. Research shows that shopping when hungry leads to buying more items, especially unhealthy foods and non-food products. This results in more spending and poor food choices driven by immediate cravings, rather than actual nutritional needs. 2. Review your subscriptions. Most of us are paying for stuff we don't even use, things like streaming services, apps, even old gym memberships. The average person wastes over $100 a month on forgotten subscriptions. Here's what to do. Open your bank or credit card statement. Highlight every recurring charge and ask yourself, do I really use this? If not, cancel it. You can always resubscribe later if you miss it. 3. The 24-hour rule. How many times have you walked into a store looking for toothpaste and walk out with a bunch of random stuff? Or you're scrolling online and suddenly you've added to cart? The solution? Use the 24-hour rule. Anytime you feel the urge to buy something non-essential, wait 1 full day. If after 24 hours you still want that item, then go for it. But here's the catch. Most of the time, the urge fades, and you've just saved that money. 5. Sell what you don't use. Look around your house right now. If you haven't used something in a year, you probably don't need it. Clothes, old phones, unused furniture. They're just sitting there, taking up space. List them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. In one weekend, you could free up your home and make $100, $300 in cash. That's instant money saved. 6. Negotiate your bills. Most people don't realize that almost every bill is negotiable. Internet, cable, phone, even insurance. The trick is to call your provider. Tell them you are thinking of switching service and ask for discounts or promotions to keep you as a customer. You'd be surprised what companies can offer to keep you as a customer. You can lower your bills with 1 phone call. It's like giving yourself a raise without changing jobs. So there you have it, 6 proven ways to save money fast. From the 24-hour rule and cutting subscriptions, to meal prepping, no-spend weekends, automating savings, and tracking every dollar. Don't try to do all tips at once. Pick 2 or 3, and you'll start seeing results right away. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. Please share your tips about how to save money fast. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical money and investing tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.